ISAIC plays a vital role in this industry for Detroit. We simultaneously advance skills alongside innovation so that they're timed well and truly advance responsible manufacturing. Detroiters end up being the beneficiaries of that. So we offer training programs, we pilot innovation here, and that ultimately attracts other solution providers to the region, creating jobs and a real industry, let's say, universe here. Right? I'm Jen Guarino, CEO of the Industrial Sewing and Innovation Center based in Detroit, referred to as ISAIC. Right now, the industry is very unethical, irresponsible in the way that it makes product and the way it distributes product. So there's incredible need for innovation and change in the way we do things. Our institute is focused on that on a daily basis. And for Detroit, that means that we are creating a hub for the industry to come and see and pilot new ways to do things differently. Sustainability is at the very fundamental core of what we do. And when we talk about sustainability, we talk about the people part of it. So even if you've made every single great decision around sustainability, what kind of fibers you're using, where are you getting them, where are you buying your clothes, if your decisions are still based on lives that are unsustainable, it's not sustainable. So what we're focused on is elevating the livelihoods of the people that make product and to give them real career paths and change the value structure of the people making product. I think that Detroit holds really an amazing opportunity to show our industry that really can do things differently. We are not steeped in the old ways of apparel manufacturing like other parts of our country are. So we get the benefit of being a region that knows manufacturing, is used to innovation, is used to engineering solutions, and applying it to an industry that desperately needs it. So I believe that this sustainability approach to manufacturing includes robotics, automation, textile innovation. And if we can make Detroit the hub of that, all of a sudden Detroit has a whole new industry that it can attract globally. And so we believe that we can, in some sense, build sort of the Silicon Valley for apparel manufacturing.
Our model is to work towards on-demand manufacturing. So we believe heavily in investing in innovation and technology. So using a lot of software programming, using a lot of agile and nimble manufacturing methods to turn around an order from a customer hitting submit to us finishing it and manufacturing it and sending it on its way. So really what that's looked like for us is for our first year and a half of operations was really establishing systems to kind of help us track everything. So get a baseline for what are our actual impacts. And so that's what we've been doing for the past year and a half. And now that we've kind of graduated from that stage, it's really looking at those impacts and saying, okay, now we know our baseline. How do we improve upon that? How do we take in industry best practices to make ourselves better while also demonstrating for the industry that, hey, this is a way that small and medium-sized enterprises can really nudge the needle forward in terms of environmental sustainability.
So sustainability is a gigantic word, and it is not something that you can start and finish tomorrow. The work is never done, and it will always be changing. So we have a term called progressive good. And progressive good is really important to us because we don't believe that shaming people into making better decisions is the right way to go. We believe that every day if you're making a better decision around your business choices, around your purchasing choices, that you're having an impact. And if everybody did that every day, the collective impact of those micro efforts are huge. To have a sustainability element in apparel, you have to look at the whole supply chain. And because our supply chain has become so offshored, You might onshore part of it, but still have to import some of it. So the big challenge is, how do you bring back all the components of manufacturing so that you can have control over sustainable choices, reduce the carbon footprint, reduce the waste. And so that takes time. The more you understand the overarching issues, the more you will understand your ability to impact those issues. Learn about the biggest issues. Carbon footprint. Waste is huge. So we make 150 billion garments globally and annually, and 50 billion of those end up in landfills prior to the consumer purchasing them. So that means we're really overproducing. So look at how you're producing. Is there a way that you can be more predictive? Is there a way that you can make more on demand? Look for opportunities to get rid of waste.